As a project manager, your sphere of influence within an organization extends beyond just the project that you are managing. It is important for you to understand and manage these broader sphere of influence in order to be an effective leader and contribute to the overall success of the organization. One aspect of your sphere of influence within an organization is your relationship with your team members. As the project manager, you're responsible for leading and managing your team, which means setting clear goals and expectations, providing support and resources, and helping team members to develop their skills and capabilities. By building strong relationships with your team members, you can create a positive and collaborative work environment that is conducive to success. Another aspect of your sphere of influence within an organization is your role as a representative of the project. You are the primary point of contact between the project team and other stakeholders within the organization, such as executives, managers, and customers. It is important for you to effectively communicate the progress and status of the project to these stakeholders and to represent the needs and interests of the project team. In addition to your relationship with team members and stakeholders, your sphere of influence within an organization may also include your ability to influence company policies and procedures. As a project manager, you have the opportunity to provide input and feedback on the ways in which the organization operates and to suggest improvements that could enhance efficiency and effectiveness. By using influence to drive positive change within the organization, you can contribute to its overall success. Overall, the sphere of influence of a project manager within an organization extends beyond just the project that they are managing. But by understanding and managing these broader sphere of influence, project managers can be effective leaders and contribute to the overall success of the organization. See you in the next lecture.